Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to take a photo using voice commands on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is simply launch the camera app on your device. And then on the camera page, all you have to do is simply tap on the arrow at the top of the screen. And then from the options that appear, select shutter type. And then within the shutter type, tap on voice shutter. Now once you have enabled it, simply exit. And then to take a photo using your voice command, all you have to do is say cheese. And as you can see, it has taken a photo. You can also say cheese again. Say cheese. Cheese. And that will take another photo. Also, you can also take the selfie photos using your voice commands. So if you switch the camera, then select the arrow at the top, and then select shutter type, and then choose voice shutter. And then all you have to do is say cheese, and that will take a photo or using the voice commands on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.